My name is Jake McCoy. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of RWS Global. We are an entertainment and a sports company. My content management strategy really focuses on a very, very important topic for us that goes across our entire tech stack, which is single source of truth. A big part of our Box journey, as we've been acquiring companies over the past 5 to 10 years, was consolidating all of that data into one single repository, which has been Box. We've been creating production hubs for all of our projects, so each project gets a new hub that's created, all of the scopes of work, the creative assets, the different logistic information. With the addition of Box AI, we're able to go into that hub and ask questions about anything that we need to know about the project. We have an absolutely massive amount of creative content in our library. We need to be able to quickly access that content. When we're going through our show library, be able to say, I want to look at all of the shows that we've done for a cruise ship that are rock and roll genre shows that have a 45-minute duration. By being able to now work with that content in a very different way, insights that are only found in that metadata that don't even exist in the source file that we've been able to go through and apply now give us a whole new way to be able to interact with that content library. We're developing a pricing agent right now who is working off of a really tight, controlled source file for its context. And we're effectively able to feed a scope of work into that agent and say, here's a scope of work. Go ahead, based off of everything you know about every proposal that RWS has ever done, give me back what you think would be the right price, the right set of services. And we're then obviously validating that with humans along the way. Those RFP agents for us are such a key part of our future and how we can quickly move through a proposal process and be able to focus the most amount of time on the project and on that client and the guest experience. What's really key is that we focus the most amount of time on the project. So that's why the client is hiring us. They want the most excellent entertainment experience or the best sports presentation experience that they can possibly get on the market. We're spending more time being creative, more time on the project, and really more time being human.